Hello there. ICANN70 is our 4th virtual meeting. We all miss meeting in person. So, we created new tools available on the meeting website to make your virtual experience easier and to help you network with our ICANN community. Let me show you how to use these tools. Our site has all the tools and information you need to get going. You need to register for ICANN70 before you can access these features and see the schedule. If you're already registered, click here to sign in. Now you're ready. Click here to view the prep week and meeting schedule. Here, you can personalize your schedule. Click on the session you want to attend. You'll see the icon turn to a green checkmark. Go back to the Schedule menu and click My Agenda. There, you will see all the sessions you have added to your personal schedule. You can also download the session info to your default calendar by clicking here. If you want to start a discussion in a specific session you're attending, you can do that too. Click New Conversation. Enter a subject. And click Send. If you need to delete the message, click here. Look at that. Someone already replied to my question. Thanks, Josh. This tool is a great way to connect with people and prompt discussions. I want to show you one final tool. You can schedule your own private video meetings with registered attendees. Remember, keep your profile visible so that other community members can connect with you. To schedule a meeting, click Attendees and enter the name of the attendee in the search bar. Then click Go. Their profile card will appear here. Click the box on the right to schedule a meeting. If you want to add another person, click New Member. Type in their name and add recipients. If you want to delete someone from the meeting, just click the X. Continue to select a day and time. Enter a subject and description, and send. You'll see a pop-up confirming the invite has been sent. When it's time for your meeting, click the bell here or My Agenda to access the meeting. Join the meeting to enter the room. My meeting is already in session.
Hi, Maya.
Hi, Josh. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you so much. It's great to see you.
Good to see you again.
You can also chat during the meeting here. These are just some of the networking tools you can use during ICANN70 and Prep Week. Let us know what you think of these tools. Email us at meetingsupport@icann.org and visit 70.schedule.icann.org to start networking. Enjoy the meeting.